Cat!
Oh, hello! Was I catnapping again?
Yup.
And who is this?
This is our opposite puppet. Curly Hair Sue
Ooh! And?
Straight Hair Sal.
Ah!
They're sisters, but they're total opposites.
Opposite sisters? That would make a great story.
We were hoping you'd say that.
Okay, then. Everybody cuddle up. Rainbow curtains, close them up. Once upon a time, there were two sisters, Curly Hair Sue, do-do-do-do, and Straight Hair Sal, la-la-la-la. And they were total opposites. Oh, nighttime is the best, with twinkly stars and a beautiful moon. No way! Daytime is the best. A nice warm sun and big fluffy clouds. Curly Hair Sue and Straight Hair Sal could never agree on anything. I like it cool. I like it hot. But one day, Curly Hair Sue and Straight Hair Sal both got hungry. At the same time. Oh, I could really go for a snack. Oh, I could really go for a snack too. For the first time ever, they finally agreed on something. Yay! We can make a snack together. Woohoo! Let's do it. I'm in the mood for something sweet. I'm in the mood for something salty. Sweet! Salty! Uh-oh, the opposite sisters were at it again. When suddenly, they had an idea. We can make something sweet and salty. We'll mix them up together in this bowl. Do you see something sweet? The Gummy Kitties! These are definitely sweet. Yum! Now we need to add something salty. Do you see something salty? The pretzels! Nice and salty. The opposite sisters mix their salty and sweet snacks all up. Salty and sweet together. And so, while the sisters were still opposites, they had found a snack that they could always agree on. Yummy! And they lived opposite ever after. The end.
Wow. Thanks for the great story, Pillow Cat.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and I'm glad the opposite sisters finally found something to agree on. A snack!